let us discuss about why protocols, not platforms, and what does it mean. Like, what is the meaning of a protocol, and what is the meaning of a platform? Um, let's see. What's a protocol? What's a platform? Like, uh, now we are doing a search in the Google. What does it mean? Like, we are using a platform called Google, which is serving via an HTTPS protocol with there is some security measures and stuffs like that, like HTTPS certificate and sort of things like that. Mm. So the Google is serving via an HTTPS protocol. So the HTTPS here is the protocol, and the Google here is the platform. And why we should work on protocols rather than that of platforms? Platforms are generally limited, and whatever the data you are putting here in Google, which is actually stored in the centralized database of the Google. For example, you know about IRC, Internet Relay Chat, and you know about Reddit as well. Reddit is a platform where people could discuss about the stuffs, and the things will get upvoted and downvoted, and they will talk about the stuffs which is over there and things like that which is going on in Reddit. Whereas IRC is a protocol, you will use an IRC software to connect into that particular protocol, and you use a username to log into that thing, and you can test the messages across the users or the channels which is there in that particular software or the IRC, Internet Relay Chat. So here what happens, IRC is something which act as which has a software that helps you to connect to the IRC protocol, and here the data is stored nowhere. The data is in the client side, the one who is creating the message and the one who is receiving the message, they both get the messages. So the entire data which happens in the client side, not in the server side. So this is more secure way, because in IRC nobody want to manipulate you, nobody want to sell products to you, nobody wants to do mess with you, and nobody wants to manipulate you. So the what is happening in the internet right now is the largest tech companies are manipulating the masses of the human beings via social engineering in order to make them to think like the consumerist behavior. This is what happening in the internet right now. So the protocols in the if the protocols are dominating, and not the centralized companies, then this manipulation, the world will be free of the manipulation. So this is why we are coming up with we are planning to work on protocols, not on the in the platform. So earlier times, you all know we had a platform called Eduladder, and recently we are slowly starting support of that particular platform, and we are started to support and develop a protocol called Eduladder. And in this particular protocol, there people could actually use that particular stuff to store the things in the internet, that is in an undeletable manner, untrackable manner, and it's encrypted also. So this is what this is the reason why we are planning to work in the protocol rather than that of the platforms. And the platforms are slowly coming to an end. In that, more and more people are realizing that the platforms are actually killing the internet, the spirit of the internet, and they are actually killing the things which internet is actually subjected to. So that is why the protocols and not the platforms. So there is one good technical article which has been came out recently from the Columbia University. You can see that in this particular particular paper, why they are proposing the protocols, not the platforms. And you could understand more about this and the future of the platform and how it's going to change the way which people are behaving in the internet. All those steps you could actually see in this particular paper. Thank you for watching.